Hi, I'm Canadian artist Roxanne Jervis, and one of the things we're doing in my class is we're learning how to do shading. And it's really important to try to master how to do the values of shading. Some people can do a range of 9 different blocks, so that each block from the darkest to the lightest, when you squint, you don't see any difference in the shading. For the purpose of my class, we're going to do 5 blocks, just to get them to understand what the different pencils can do. We generally use a 2B and a 6B woodless pencil, and we start with the 6B pencil in square 1, and you fill it in as absolutely dark as you can get. Now, this paper doesn't work as well as my sketchbook, but you fill in this square first with the 6B pencil. When you see how it looks, you can see how dark it is with the 6B pencil. The next pencil you use for the medium gray is your 2B, and you do the 2B pencil. So you do this one second with the 2B. And you fill this square in. Reasonably dark, but not as dark as not as much pressure here. And then the third one you do is with the 2B pencil again. You do it very light, and you can use your finger just to smudge it around to make it easier. And then what you have to do at the very end is, after you get your 6B pencil, mine just fell on the floor, is you have this extremely dark, and then your eye with the 6B, 4th time, this is your 6B, you have to get the difference in gradation from the light gray to the medium gray to the dark gray to the black. What I've done is I've asked my students to practice this week when they're at home, because next week we're going to be doing shading of globes or spheres. Shading of a ball or a sphere or a globe, something that's perfectly round. But the first step is to really understand the elements of shading. Once you've mastered the elements, then you can actually go to the globe. And